Hello all. Today I'm gonna give you a little bit of a video on how to do some type of equivalent expressions, but written a little bit different. And so you'll have the opportunity to go ahead and do this one. And so I'm gonna give you some examples. I want you to make sure that you understand how these are gonna be done. So let's start with the first example. The first example I'm gonna use is a 4x plus a blank equals, let's say that we have the factor 2, and we're going to have another factor here. And that factor is going to have a missing value, and your job is to kind of figure out what that missing value will be. So let's say that we have in this case, it'll be 14 here. So knowing that this is 14, what number would this be? So we always trying to figure out what that number and what number would this be. So let's think about how we get those numbers. So first of all, we know that this number multiplied times this one will give me this missing number here. Okay, and so if I know that, what I have to do is just multiply 2 times 14, and that'll give you 28. And then knowing that as well, knowing that if you multiply this number times this number, that'll give you this number here. This case is 4x. You have a 2, so the missing number here should be 2x, because 2 times 2x will give you the 4x. So it's kind of that simple. Sometimes it's not that simple for other people. Okay? And so your job is just to rewrite this equation as, 4x plus 28 equals 2 times 2x plus 14, because that's what it is. 2 times 2x is 4x, and 2 times 14 is 28. So you'll be giving a total of 2 missing values, and your job is to find the missing value. So pretty simple. So this is one example. Let me go ahead and give you another example here. Okay, let me see if I can find a different color pen to make it colorful. Okay, so let's do this one. So I'm gonna write 3x plus a missing value equals, let's put a 3 here, and we're gonna put a missing value here. We don't know what that number will be, but this number will be 5. Okay, so once again, we know that to get this missing value here, we have to multiply 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. And then to get this value here is 3 times whatever number here is. What we know is 3x. So the only thing we have to put here is an x. And 3 times x will give you 3x. So we rewrite this as 3x plus 15 is going to equal 3 times x plus 5. Okay, so the answer I'm looking for, in this one is just how we write this as this. Okay, completely. All right. So let's go ahead and do one more, and then I will let you go ahead and practice at home how to do all the other ones. Okay. So we have another example. Actually, I'm going to do 2 more examples just because I'm in a good mood today. So let's do this one. Let's do 6x plus 20. Oh, I'm already giving you the answer. Let me delete this, okay, because this is going to be a blank here, equals, let's say 3, and a blank here plus a number here, which will be say 8. Okay, so how do we get again the missing values? Knowing that this times this, okay, is 24, so that's our missing value here. Okay, that we get that missing value all the time. Okay. So let's now figure out what this number will be. Well, I have to have 6x. So 3 times what will give me 6x? Well, I know 2, 3 times 2 is 6, and then we add an x, so 3 times 2x gives 6x. And voila, you have an answer. You have 6x plus 24 is equals to 3 times 2x plus 8. Okay? So those are two equivalent expressions. This one's equal to that one. We know that. Okay? So let me do a different color here. What's my favorite color? Red. Okay? We haven't seen red. So we're going to do number 4. Okay? Number 4, same idea, same concept. We're going to put 5x plus a blank is going to be equal to 5 here, a blank here, plus a, let's say, 30 here. Okay? No, that's not going to work. Not 30. Sorry. We're going to put 6. So now you know the answer. Okay, so we know that multiplying this times this will give me this number here, which is 30. And that all I need is to multiply something here times this to give me this number here. I know I have a 5. 5 times 1 is 5, so the only thing I need to put here is an x. So we know then that we are going to rewrite this as 5x plus 30 is equal to 5 times x plus 6. Those two are equivalent equations. They're equal. Okay? So I'm going to give you some problems for you to do online. I want you to go ahead and do 1 through 10. And it's simple problems. You should be able to have a lot of fun with them. Okay? So I'll see you on the next video. I hope you have a great time. And see you later.